TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Fed hike day. At least that's the expectation. That announcement coming at 2 p.m., 1 hour from right now. And then new chairman of the Fed, Jerome Powell, will be having a press conference at 2:30 Eastern Time. So we should be coming into some volatility this afternoon. All markets currently in the green. Dow Jones up 139 points, trading at 24,866. NASDAQ positive by 29 points, trading at 73.93, and the S&P's positive by about 10 points, trading 27.33. Gold having a good day, up $12, trading at $13.24. And let's jump over to that Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets. Excuse me, with 3 hours left to go in the trading day. Start things off with the Dow 30. Quite an acceleration from about 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We were trading down there at 24,673. We're a solid 200 Dow points from that level, currently trading 24,875. NASDAQ 100 trading at the highs of the session, currently 69.29. S&P 500, again, looking at where we were at about 9:50, call it 10 in the morning, trading at 27.15. From there, we're up a solid 17 S&P 500 points, trading 27.32. Crude oil, we have the EIA numbers this morning. Crude, we're expecting a build. The median analyst estimate was expecting a build in crude, and instead we saw a draw of about 2.6 million barrels. The expectation was a build. And let's find, there's the 10:30 bar when that news breaks, and from there we trade higher. We're trading about 64.25 before the EIA numbers. From there we trade up almost a solid dollar to 65.26, pulling back a bit, still over $65 in crude. New territory for crude, at least recently. Gold, check out that chart as well. Quite an acceleration for gold. We could see some volatility in gold as we get a Fed announcement at 2 p.m., that's for sure. We'll see what Jerome Powell has to say during his press conference, taking questions as well at 2:30 Eastern Time. Definitely, when you look at rates, when you look at the dollar, when you look at gold, those could definitely see some volatility depending on what he has to say about the future expectation of whether it's 2, 3, 4 rate hikes, what it is. And Bitcoin pulling back a bit. Bitcoin was as high as 91.72, pulling back a bit, just under 9,000. Bitcoin trading 88.95. Stay tuned. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge. Dave White at 2. Yes, Dave White will be live at 2 o'clock when those Fed numbers come out with the Power Trading Hour, and Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. Have a great afternoon, everybody.
Would you like